Okay, so for the number 2 said a particular boy and girl must be included. So that is for the number 2. So that if you remember the first where they said that was when there is no restriction, and when there is no restriction it was 18, that's for the boys, 18 combination 5 multiplied by 12 combination 4. But now we are doing at number 2 that they said what a particular boy and a particular girl must be included. So that means from this committee of boys, this part represent the boys, this part represent the boys, and this one represent the girls. Now when they say a particular boy and a particular girl must be there, that means from a total of 17 boys, one particular boy must be there. That means we will now rewrite this as, instead of 18, since one particular boy must be there, it will be now 17 combination. So now from instead of 5, since one particular boy must be there, if you should bring out that boy, it will be left with 4. So that will be 17 combination 4 for the boys. Now for the girls, he said one particular girl also what must be there. So that means we'll be having what, instead of the 12, that will be minus 1, we'll be left with 11 combination instead of 4. Since one particular girl must be there, we'll be left with what, with 3. Now if this is not clear to you, let me give you this example. Now look at these 3 markers I'm having here. I'm having a black, a blue, and a red pen here. Now if I'm being asked to pick 2 out of these 3 pen, look at it, I have 3 pen, I'm asked to pick 2. If I should, and then I pick my 2. That is without any condition, no restriction. Now let me bring back the 3 pen. How many am I having here? I'm having 3 pen here. And what if I'm asked to pick 2 pen, which I did earlier? Now if we are not given a condition that okay, out of those 2 pen that I'm picking, one must be red, that I must pick the red pen out of the 3 pen, that okay, pick 2 out of this 3 pen, but you must also pick red. So that means I've already picked my red. How many am I left with? I'm left with 2. So from the 2 now, I'm now left with the option of picking either the blue or the black. So instead of from the 3 option, but I've been given a condition that I should pick 1, which I've already picked. Now I am left with 2 to pick only 1, no more 2, because I've already picked 1. And that is the same scenario we are having here, whereby out of the 18 boys rather, we are told that one particular boy must be there. And so if one particular boy must be there, we are going to subtract that one boy from the total number of boys. We are also going to subtract that one boy from the total number of boys that must be chosen or to form that committee. So that's why by the time we minus 1 from 18, we'll be left with 17. By the time we minus 1 from the 5, we'll be left with 4. Now this time around, we are told that a particular boy, that is 1. The question can tell us that if 2 particular boys must be in that committee, then that means we are going to be having 18 minus 2. Then this one will be 16. Then we are also going to be having 5 minus 2. So with this explanation, I believe should be clear now. So if it's not still clear, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll attend to you. So now this is what we are now going to work with, which is 17 combination 4. So that will be 17 factorial over 17 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial multiplied by 11 factorial over 11 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. So if you should simplify this further, so that will be 17 factorial over 17 minus 4, that is 13 factorial times 4 factorial times 11 factorial over 11 minus 3, so 11 minus 3, that is 8, so that will be 8 factorial times 3 factorial. So let me rub up the question. So by the time you look for the value of 17 factorial over 13 factorial times 4 factorial, so that will give us 2380. So then times 11 factorial divided by 8 factorial times 3 factorial. I know there's still one more step to go. I'm only skipping it because of space, and I believe by now you should know how to simplify this. If you are still not clear, just go back to the previous part, we've done an example on how to simplify questions like this. So 2380 times 165. So by the time we multiply 2380 times 165, so that will give us 392,700 ways, and that is the answer to the second part of the question, which is that if from a total of 18 boys and 12 girls, so we have to pick a committee of 5 boys and 4 girls, but the condition given that what one particular boy and one particular girl must be in that committee, and without any restriction. So without any restriction, this is the representation here. That is without any restriction. This is it here, 18 combination 5, which is for the boys, 12 combination 4, which is for the girls. But now that we've been given a condition that what one particular boy and one particular girl must be there, then this is what the representation. Now one particular boy, one particular girl. So instead of 18, we have deduct that one boy that must be from the total. We have 17. We also deduct that one boy from the one that is to be choosing now, because now we have to choose 4, no more 5, because we already have one boy that is reserved or that must be there. So that is it with condition. The boy must be there. So we are no more looking for 5, we are looking for 4 this time around. And then for the girls also, we have a total of 12, but one girl must be there. So we have 11 to choose from. That's why we have 12 minus the one that must be there, 11. Then the 4 becomes 3, because this is the total, is now 11. And then from the 4, instead of the committee of 4 girls that we have to choose, but one girl must be there. So now we are left with what? With 3. We have to choose 3. So this is now the representation if one boy and one girl must be there. So that is it for the solution to example 2. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to PE Academy, kindly click on the subscribe button. And I'll be seeing you in example 3 in the next part of this video. Thank you.